Hi, my name is Arman Rashid, and this is the video for the Volume and Pressure Lab. As the title suggests, in this video we will be exploring how changing volume affects pressure. Follow along and take notes, and feel free to pause, rewind, or forward whenever you feel the need to. The first thing you need to understand about the lab is that we'll be using a syringe in order to depict the volume aspect of the lab. Essentially, we'll be choosing an initial starting volume for the amount of air, and then push or pull the syringe in order to lower or increase the volume respectively in order to see the effect that it'll have on pressure. For the purposes of this lab, we chose our initial volume to be 10 milliliters. This is how we set up the data table for the lab. Our volume is in milliliters and our pressure is in kilopascals. The volume includes our initial volume of 10 milliliters and a couple data points that are under 10 milliliters and some that are over, in order to fully figure out what is happening to pressure. Here is the setup for the lab. As you can see, my partner is setting the syringe to be at the initial volume of 10 milliliters and then attaching it to the gas pressure sensor that is also connected to the computer, and the computer shows us the pressure inside of the syringe. Alright, so now you're going to see my partner push and pull the syringe to manipulate the volume in order to see the effect it'll have on pressure. So she will push the syringe to 5 milliliters first, and then to 2.5, and then she will pull back to 15 milliliters, and then to 20 milliliters. You don't have to record the numbers that you see on the computer screen now, just look for a general trend, and all of the data will be provided at the end of the video. Here, when my partner is pushing to 5 milliliters and 2.5 milliliters, there's resistance acting on her from the syringe. And finally, here is the data collected during the lab. The numbers are an approximation of the always changing value seen in the computer, but for the purposes of this lab, these numbers will do just nicely. And so, thank you for watching, and as always, have a nice day.